Hi, I'm Bob McGannon, and this is Agile Project Management. This course covers the characteristics of Agile projects, the Agile Project Lifecycle, and the best ways to manage Agile projects during each phase of their lifecycle. We will start by examining the stages of the Agile project in detail, including the deliverables you produce along the way, and the most common tools and approaches to help you manage an Agile project. If you're a lynda.com member, then you have access to the exercise files for this course. I've included a course outline that you could use to follow along and take notes. This is very helpful as a guide. Then I will guide you through techniques to help ensure your Agile projects will be successful. Next, I'll describe the characteristics that make a project a good candidate for Agile methods and techniques. Then I will show you the various techniques and tools that are applied to determine project scope and set project expectations. Agile projects must be managed with care. Having the right tools and techniques in your toolkit can make the job of managing an Agile project much easier. I will introduce you to these tools and techniques in Agile Project Management. If you're a lynda.com member, then you have access to the exercise files for this course. I've included a course outline that you could use to follow along and take notes. This is very helpful as a guide to manage your Agile projects. I've also included an Agile release, milestone, and iteration plan template that we'll reference later in the course. So, let's get started. Agile project management is the process by which projects can be managed and implemented in small chunks of work. Agile projects deliver value to the business in frequent small deliveries of product called features. In the traditional Agile projects are managed in 5 stages, called the Agile Lifecycle. The stages are envision, speculate, explore, adapt, and close. Let's take a look at the highlights of each of these stages. During the envision stage, you and your customer will determine what it is you're trying to build. You will also confirm who needs to be. The envision phase is the first of 5 phases in the Agile Lifecycle when they are required. During the larger teams introduce risk, as the coordination between larger numbers of people and the features they produce is much more difficult. Most of the risk with Agile projects comes from having too ambitious a schedule for feature production, or not having people on the team that can make decisions without waiting for management approval.